Musandam, a land of mystique and wonder, where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic embrace. This hidden gem of Oman is a place where nature's raw beauty is on full display. A whisper on the wind. The gentle breeze carries stories of ancient mariners and traders who once navigated these waters, leaving behind a legacy etched into the very fabric of the land. A secret whispered among travelers. Those who have ventured here speak of its serene beauty, a place where time seems to stand still and the soul finds peace. This peninsula, the northernmost tip of Oman, juts out into the Strait of Hormuz like a finger pointing towards Iran. The landscape? Breathtaking. Rugged mountains rise sharply from the sea, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring vista. Towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from the turquoise water. These cliffs, formed over millennia, stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of Musandam. Ancient fjords carve through the landscape, their emerald green waters reflecting the sky. These fjords, reminiscent of those in Scandinavia, are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. This is a place where the desert meets the sea. The stark contrast between the arid desert and the vibrant waters creates a unique and mesmerizing landscape, a place of raw beauty, untamed. Here, nature reigns supreme, and the untouched landscapes offer a glimpse into a world that remains largely unspoiled by human hands. Unforgettable. The memories of Musandam linger long after the journey ends, leaving an indelible mark on the heart and soul. My journey began in Kasab, the gateway to Musandam. This charming town, with its bustling markets and friendly locales, serves as the perfect starting point for an adventure into the heart of Musandam. The air was thick with the scent of salt and spices. The vibrant colors and rich aromas of the market stalls tantalized the senses, promising a taste of the exotic. The sun beat down on my skin, a warm embrace welcoming me to this magical land. The golden rays danced on the water, creating a shimmering pathway that beckoned me to explore further. I was eager to explore the hidden coves and mountain trails. Each path promised a new discovery, a new story waiting to be told, to lose myself in the embrace of nature, to find solace in the quiet moments where the only sounds are the whispers of the wind and the gentle lapping of the waves. Our hike began at dawn. The first light of the day painted the sky in hues of pink and orange, a gentle reminder of nature's beauty. As we set off, the world was still waking up, and the tranquility was almost palpable. The air was cool and crisp, invigorating our senses and filling our lungs with freshness. Each breath felt like a renewal, a promise of the adventure that lay ahead. The rising sun cast long shadows across the barren landscape, creating a dramatic interplay of light and dark. The early morning sun bathed the mountain terrain in a golden glow, making every rock and crevice come alive. We followed a narrow trail that snaked its way up the mountainside. The path was winding and unpredictable, much like the journey of life itself. Each turn brought new challenges and new perspectives. The path was steep and rocky, a test of endurance and willpower. Every step required focus and determination, but the sense of accomplishment with each conquered obstacle was unparalleled. But with each step, the view became more rewarding. The expansive mountain vistas stretched out before us, a breathtaking reward for our efforts. The higher we climbed, the more magnificent the scenery became. Below us, the fjords shimmered like shards of glass, reflecting the sky and the surrounding peaks. The sight was mesmerizing, a perfect blend of ruggedness and serenity. The mountains of Musandam are a hiker's paradise. Each peak, each trail, offers a unique experience, a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Rugged peaks offer breathtaking vistas. The panoramic views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. The terrain is challenging, unforgiving. It demands respect and resilience, pushing hikers to their limits. But it is in these moments of challenge that we discover our true strength. But the rewards are immeasurable. Reaching the summit is a moment of triumph, a celebration of perseverance and determination. The view from the top is a reminder of why we embark on these journeys. As I climbed, I felt a sense of freedom wash over me. The higher I went, the lighter I felt, as if the weight of the world was being lifted off my shoulders. The worries of the world melted away, replaced by the sheer joy of the ascent. Standing on the peak, I felt a profound sense of peace and fulfillment, a connection to something greater than myself. After a day of hiking, it was time to explore Musandam's underwater realm. We set off on a traditional dhow, its wooden hull gliding effortlessly through the water. As we entered a secluded cove, I felt a surge of anticipation. Slipping into the cool water, I felt an immediate sense of tranquility. The world above seemed to disappear. It was just me and the vastness of the ocean. Schools of brightly colored fish darted in and out of the coral reefs. Rays glided effortlessly through the water. Freediving in Musandam is a symphony of senses. The water envelops you in silence. Sunlight filters through the surface, creating an ethereal glow. The vibrant colors of the coral reefs dance before your eyes. As I dove deeper, I felt the pressure change in my ears. My heart beat in sync with the rhythm of the ocean. Time seemed to slow down. I was completely present in the moment, lost in the beauty of the underwater world. Section 5. Encounters with marine life. The waters of Musandam are teeming with marine life. From the moment I descended into the depths, I was surrounded by a vibrant underwater world. The coral reefs were bustling with activity, each nook and cranny hiding a new surprise. Schools of colorful fish darted around, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors and patterns. During my dives, I encountered creatures of all shapes and sizes. Some were familiar, like the playful clownfish peeking out from their anemone homes, while others were more mysterious, like the elusive octopus that changed colors to blend into its surroundings. Each encounter was a reminder of the incredible diversity of life beneath the waves. I swam alongside graceful sea turtles, their ancient eyes filled with wisdom. These gentle giants moved with a slow, deliberate grace, seemingly unbothered by my presence. Watching them glide through the water was like witnessing a piece of history, a connection to a time long past. I watched in awe as a pod of dolphins leaped and played in the distance. Their joyful antics were infectious, and I couldn't help but smile as they twisted and turned in the air. It was a reminder of the playful side of nature, a moment of pure, unbridled joy. One particular encounter left a lasting impression. As I explored a rocky outcrop, I suddenly found myself face to face with a giant grouper. Its sheer size was intimidating, but there was something almost majestic about it. A giant grouper, its scales shimmering like silver dollars, swam right up to me. The light from my dive torch reflected off its scales, creating a dazzling display of silver and blue. It was a moment of connection, a brief but unforgettable encounter with one of the ocean's great inhabitants. Its eyes, large and curious, met mine for a fleeting moment. In that instant, I felt a profound sense of connection, as if the grouper was acknowledging my presence in its world. It was a humbling experience, a reminder of the intelligence and curiosity that exists in the animal kingdom. I felt a surge of adrenaline, a mixture of fear and exhilaration. The encounter left me with a newfound respect for the ocean and its inhabitants. Each dive is a journey into the unknown, a chance to witness the beauty and wonder of the underwater world. And with each encounter, I am reminded of the importance of preserving these incredible ecosystems for future generations. Section 6. The Thrill of Freediving. Freediving is more than just holding your breath. It's about pushing your limits, both physical and mental. It's about surrendering to the water, becoming one with the ocean. With each dive, I felt a sense of accomplishment. I was exploring a world that few people ever get to see, a world of silence and beauty, a world that filled me with a sense of wonder and awe. Section 7. Reflections from the Deep. As I surfaced from my final dive, I felt a profound sense of peace wash over me. The experience had changed me. It had reminded me of the power and beauty of the natural world. Musandam had pushed me to my limits and rewarded me with unforgettable experiences. It had shown me the importance of living in the moment, of appreciating the simple things in life. Section 8. Musandam's magic, a lasting impression. Musandam is a place that stays with you long after you leave. The rugged mountains, the crystal-clear waters, the abundant marine life, all leave an imprint on your soul. Musandam is a reminder that adventure is out there, waiting to be discovered. It's a call to explore the world around us, to push our boundaries, to connect with nature on a deeper level. Section 9. A call to adventure. If you're looking for an adventure that will challenge you, inspire you, and stay with you long after you return home, then Musandam is calling. Pack your hiking boots and your swimsuit. Answer the call of the wild. Discover the magic of Musandam for yourself.